When arranging uniform blocks in a uniform fashion, not only measure the spacing using the selection tool, but also make use of guides. Go to Main Menu, View, and select Ruler to turn on the ruler and enable creating guides. Go to Main Menu, View, and select Snap, so that the guides will snap to selected areas and creating them will be easier. By placing blocks along these guides, even if you have many product blocks to add, you can maintain a uniform white space. Since we want the viewer to recognize elements inside each block, such as the product photo, product name, description, and button as a single group, set the white space tighter than the spacing between the blocks. Here I have spaced the product photo 15 pixels away from the remaining elements, which are spaced 10 pixels from each other. Elements that are more closely related are separated with a smaller white space. Once you have set the white space inside of one block, set all the white spaces in the same way for the remaining blocks. This way, the page is governed by a rule, and this uniformity makes the page easier to comprehend. Here's the completed page. To show an easy example, I have made a very simple page, but what's important in this exercise is to pay attention to the white space. Everything else is up to you. When you make your own, you might want to decorate the page in accordance with the category. For example, if the page is for household goods, perhaps placing each product block on a small piece of paper might be a good idea. I have enclosed the title block with solid lines, but you may use a background to show where the block begins and ends. And with the rest of the page, for example, you can have 3 columns instead of 2. Be creative.